Got a little bit of a papaya, dragon fruit, kiwi, pomegranate, banana, corn, a little bit of something for the birds to eat today. Get it in there and see how they go. As you can see, guys, they're already into it before I've been able to finish. Yeah, fussy guys. These guys here are fussy. Not like the other ones, they only like certain things. There's these guys over here. They like a bit of everything. Corn's always a favourite. Same as these guys. What are you eating? A little bit of dragon fruit. Yeah. And the chickens come underneath and clean up all the rest of it. Very good.